today's episode, I'll share the progress I've made on Paradise Hideaway branding project, including our brand brief, color palette, and initial logo concepts. So, using generative AI, I've developed a comprehensive brand brief for Paradise Hideaway. Here are the key elements. So, Paradise Hideaway is positioning itself as a premier Airbnb destination in Wesley, Dominica, offering authentic Caribbean experiences with convenient access to major attractions and cultural sites. So, I also have a unique value proposition. So, it is strategically located between Douglas Charles Airport and the Calinago Territory Gateway to Dominica's major attractions and authentic Dominican experience. By the way, fun fact, I'm actually part Kalinago. My grandmother was a full Kalinago Indian. So I was able to also look at, figure out the target audience. And for this particular project, I think focusing on three major audiences will be great. So adventure travelers and nature enthusiasts who might be 25 to 45-year-olds, cultural tourism seekers who might be 30 to 60, and eco-conscious travelers who might be 25 to 55. I think that's a good range. Now, let me show you how I use Adobe Illustrator Firefly integration for initial logo concepts. So, using prompts developed with Claude AI, we explored several concepts. So, the Caribbean mountain wave concept, deep forest green mountain silhouettes, ocean blue wave elements. For example, while this isn't the final design, it's a great placeholder that captures the essence of what we're aiming for. And let's see, I'm going to switch to Figma right now. For our color palette, we're working with deep forest green for headers and CTAs, ocean blue for secondary buttons and overlays, and sunset orange, earth brown, waterfall mist accent. Let me show you how I test these colors for accessibility. So I use three main tools for accessibility testing. Adobe Color, which is color.adobe.com, a color blindness simulator called Stark plugin for Figma for contrast checking. And let me demonstrate how these tools help ensure our design is accessible to everyone. Now, that's where we are with the Paradise Hideaway brand development so far. If you'd like to learn more about any specific aspect like the AI prompts I use or the color accessibility tools, let me know in the comments below. Next episode, we'll dive deeper into the visual identity development and start working on the website structure. Don't forget to subscribe to follow along.